Hi everyone, how was your quarantine going on? I think all our anxiety, stress, and feeling loneliness due to these quarantine days. So here we bring in something to you to how to overcome back from this anxiety and how to manage your mental health during this quarantine. Let's have a look on it. Did you having sleeplessness due to the COVID-19 pandemic? All the changes that you have come due to the pandemic, for instance. So, being in the house all day, which is something that most people were not used to, can trigger loneliness and depressive symptoms that make it difficult for you to go on with your daily activities of life. So, psychologist Grace Kurioki advises that we should have to manage our thoughts. We have to take control of our thoughts and keep our negative thoughts as far as possible. Even though time are hard, try to place irrational thoughts with some rational ones and practice deep breathing to reduce the tension. Deep breathing helps to reduce blood pressure and relaxes muscles. Focusing on breathing helps us to redirect our thoughts to the present and the breathing so the racing thoughts can calm down. Grace Karaoke psychologist. And the third, walk away from the situation. Do anything that helps you divert your thoughts from the fear or anxiety you are battling. These things help in reducing the symptoms of anxiety and depressive thoughts and emotions too. And also, most avoid using psychoactivity substances. According to Grace, drugs and substances used will only intensive for your symptoms or give you a false sense of relief without actually dealing with the situation. Express your desires and needs with your family members. You need to identify what trigger your fear, anxiety or depressive thoughts. Don't suffer in silence while speaking out could help you manage the issue. Reach out for professional help if you are unable to deal with the problem using the above self-help tips. Make sure you seek professional help from a counselor, your spirituality support system, or family and friends for extra support. You can get professional help by searching for or counseling psychologists in Kenya on the internet, downloading mental health apps on your mobile phone, or dialing 1199 for free counseling and psychological support during this time when you want to avoid leaving the house as much as possible due to coronavirus. You need to ensure that you are healthy, mentally fit, and keep calm from all the anxiety and fear. Stay at home and be safe. Thanks for watching. Share it with your loved ones and make a way for them too. Thank you. So must try it and also share your friends. Hit a like, subscribe. Thank you.